If you don't have a partner to speak English with you, and you want to speak English with confidence, so don't worry, my friend. You don't need a partner to become confident in English. In fact, you have the best partner already. Guess who? It's you! Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful ways you can practice English all by yourself without depending on any partner. And trust me, if you use even 2 of these methods daily, your English will grow faster than you imagine. Let's go. Number 1. Talk to yourself. Yes, really, talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to practice. For example, when you wake up, just describe what you're doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I am getting ready for school. Don't worry, no one thinks you're crazy. Even if they do, who cares? You're learning. This builds fluency because you're using English in real life step by step. Remember, speaking English is like exercising. The more you move your tongue with English words, the stronger it becomes. Number 2. Record your voice. This is one of the smartest tricks to improve your speaking skills, because your phone can become your personal English teacher. Here's how to do it. Take your phone. Open the voice recorder. Choose a simple topic. For example, what I did today, my favorite food, or my dream place to travel. Speak for 1 minute. Don't stop. Don't worry about mistakes. Just talk. Now play it back. When you listen to your own voice, you'll notice things you never realized before. Maybe you say words too fast. Maybe you miss grammar. Or maybe you sound shy. The first time, you might think, "Oh no, do I really sound like this?" Yes, my friend, you do. But this is not a problem. It's an opportunity. When you hear yourself, you can catch your mistakes and correct them the next time. This is how you grow. Pro tip: use the same topic again after 1 week. Record again. Then compare both recordings. You will see clear progress in just 7 days. Your sentences will sound smoother, your voice will feel stronger, and your confidence will raise. Every recording you make is like planting a seed. When you listen later, you'll see how much your English tree has grown. Imagine after 3 months, you will be shocked at your own improvement. Number 3. Think in English. Most English learners make one big mistake. They always translate from their native language into English. For example, if they want to say, "I am hungry," first they think it in their mother tongue, then translate, then finally speak. That takes time. By the time the words come out, the conversation has already moved on. So the solution is simple but powerful. Train your brain to think directly in English. Here's how you can start. Step 1. One-word thoughts. Look around you and name things in English in your head. If you see a chair, think chair. If you see water, think water. If you see your phone, think phone. This is the easiest way to begin. Step 2. Small sentences. After one-word thoughts, start making very short sentences in your mind. I am sitting. The fan is moving. The tea is hot. These tiny sentences help your brain switch into English mode. Now, level up. When you're alone, create little conversations in your head in English. For example, what should I eat today? Maybe rice. No, I'll eat bread instead. You're basically talking to yourself in English without even opening your mouth. Bonus practice. When you're walking, waiting for the bus, or lying in bed, play a small game. Pick a random object. Describe it in English, silently in your mind. For example, this car is red. It looks fast. Maybe the driver is going to work. Why does this help? Because when you think in English, your brain gets used to forming sentences faster. So when it's time to actually speak, the words come out naturally without stopping or translating. Imagine your brain is a smartphone. If the operating system is in your local language, English apps will run slow. But if your brain's operating system is set to English, everything flows smoothly. The more you think in English, the less you depend on translation. And one day, you'll realize you are living your daily life inside English itself. Number 4. Read out loud. Many learners read English silently, only with their eyes. That helps a little, but if you want to speak better, you must use your voice. That's why reading out loud is such a powerful method. It trains your eyes, tongue, and ears at the same time. It's like giving your English a full-body workout. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Choose simple material. Pick something easy and fun, like a children's storybook, short news article, or even captions from Instagram. Don't choose something too difficult, or you'll lose motivation. Step 2. Read slowly and clearly. Open your mouth wide and pronounce every word. Example: instead of mumbling, I'm gonna. Try saying slowly, I am going to. This helps you learn correct sounds. Step 3. Focus on rhythm and flow. English is not just about words. It has music. Some words are stressed, some are soft. When you read out loud, try to copy this rhythm. For example, this is my book. This is a big house. Step 4. Record and replay. Combine this with method 2. Record yourself while reading aloud, then listen back. Notice your pronunciation, speed, and intonation. Pro tip: if you find a paragraph difficult, read it 3 times. First time, slowly, word by word. Second time, faster, with more flow. Third time, like a storyteller, with emotion. Soon, your tongue will feel more comfortable and your voice will sound more confident. Reading aloud is like rehearsal for real conversations. Actors practice their lines before the movie. In the same way, you're training your mouth before speaking to real people. And here's the best part. If you practice this daily for just 10 minutes, after 1 month, you'll notice your English sounds smoother, your accent softer, and your confidence stronger. Number 5. Shadowing method. This method is super fun and one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency. It's called shadowing because you follow someone's speech like their shadow. How it works? Find an English video, podcast, TV show, or YouTube clip. Choose something you enjoy, not something boring. Play a short part, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Listen carefully, then repeat immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker, like an echo. For example, if the speaker says, "I'm going to the market," you quickly repeat, "I'm going to the market." At first, you may miss some words or you may feel slow. That's normal. Ha! You're training your mouth muscles and your ears together. Why is this so powerful? Because in one single exercise, you are improving listening skills, catching words and sounds, practicing pronunciation, copying how natives speak, building fluency and rhythm, speaking without stopping, and learning natural expressions, not textbook English, but real-life English. How to practice step by step? 1. Start small. Take 1 to 2 short sentences. Don't rush into long speeches. 2. Repeat multiple times. Replay the same clip until your version sounds close to the original. 3. Increase the length. Slowly move to longer dialogues or full paragraphs. 4. Use subtitles. Optional. If it's too hard, turn on English subtitles to help. Later, try again without them. Pro tip: choose material that matches your interest. If you like movies, shadow movie dialogues. If you like news, shadow news clips. If you love motivational speeches, shadow those. The more you enjoy it, the longer you'll practice. Shadowing is like singing karaoke, but instead of music, you're copying English speech. It feels fun, and at the same time, it rewires your brain, tongue, and ears for natural English. After 1 month of shadowing daily, even for 10 minutes, you'll notice your sentences become faster, smoother, and more confident. People might even say, "Wow, your English sounds natural." So, friends, these were 5 powerful ways to practice English without any partner. Remember, you are your own best teacher. Keep practicing every day, stay motivated, and your English will improve faster than you think. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.